Hi there, students. Outspoken. Outspoken as an adjective. I think it probably comes from the verb to speak out, to say what you think. Let's see, if you describe somebody as outspoken, they express strong opinions and they don't care if other people are offended. So he made some very outspoken criticisms of the government. Yeah, he's an outspoken critic of the Prime Minister. So he's very forthright, he's blunt, direct, frank. He says exactly what he thinks, even if it's shocking, if it's controversial, if it's a problem. So he's very forthright. He says exactly what he thinks. Yeah, his criticism is very outspoken. Yeah, he doesn't pull his punches. Yeah, so he outspokenly supports people being able to do what they want. He's an outspoken supporter of anarchy. Okay, so outspoken, an outspoken critic, somebody who criticizes without worrying about if people are upset. His outspoken views, okay, they don't agree with everyone else. Yeah, they're rather different to everybody else's. His outspoken opposition to what most people agreed with. Okay, so if it's outspoken, this is saying that you are open and honest about your opinion, even if they're likely to shock or offend people. Mind you, I've always wondered this about outspoken people. Is it even if they're likely to shock or offend people? Or is it because they're likely to shock or offend people? Because you know there are people who like to be outspoken because this offends people, and there are people who like to do that. Okay, so outspoken. His outspokenness has made him a lot of enemies. Yeah. Okay, he has been very outspoken in his calls for reform. Yeah, he's speaking out. He's speaking frankly, boldly, openly, and he's not worrying about what other people think. Yeah, an outspoken rebuke. Yeah, he outspokenly criticized the status quo. He's well known for his outspokenness. Yeah, okay, so he's candid in what he says. His outspoken criticism. Yeah, he says, he shoots straight from the hip. He's very blunt. Yeah, he was an outspoken critic of the government's policy. So he explained very clearly exactly what he thought without being worried about what other people thought about the any criticism that he might garner. Yeah, so he's a very outspoken individual. Yeah, he doesn't worry if his opinions will upset people or not. So now let's see, outspoken, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 to 6 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere, which makes it a very useful adjective for you to use. Yeah, use it to describe people, his outspoken opinions, his outspoken position. Yeah, his outspokenness made him famous. And then as to origin, well, it comes clearly from the phrasal verb to speak out, to promote your opinion, to assert your opinion, to make your thoughts known. Yeah, don't keep it to yourself. Speak out. Yeah, don't be too shy to speak. Speak out and let everyone know. So, outspoken. Yeah, you say what you think despite what other people might say about it. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outspoken.